Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the iPhone is at its setup screen and the Android has moved to iOS installed. You sync contacts, calendar, and photos to Google and create a local backup so you can restore if needed. Once done, connect both to the same Wi-Fi and plug into power. You'll open Move to iOS on Android and follow prompts until you see the one-time code on the iPhone. That code links the two devices securely. You enter the one-time code from the iPhone into the Android Move to iOS app, and then you select what to move. You should choose contacts, message history, photos, and any accounts that the app supports. Note apps transfer only as suggestions from the App Store. While the transfer runs, keep both screens on and avoid interrupting Wi-Fi. If the transfer pauses, make sure notifications or battery savers aren't blocking background data. Canceling risks duplicating or losing partial items. You finish setup on the iPhone by signing into your Apple ID and enabling iCloud sync so contacts and photos continue updating. You then verify that messages, contacts, and photos appear as expected and reinstall any suggested apps from the App Store. If some items didn't move, like certain attachments, music, or app data, make a plan. Try the Move to iOS transfer again, restore from the Android backup you made, or copy files manually.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.